Okay, so like I did promise, so I'm going to show us how I make the handle. So first of all, you're going to get Marco size 1, and then you measure 11 inches depending on how long you want it to be. Then the wideness is 3/4, and then you get your material that can wrap it around. Make sure the material is longer with 1.5 inch on both sides. Then apply your contact adhesive, that's your gum now. Apply it on both of them. You wait for it to dry, and then you attach them together. So after attaching together, you still reapply the gum again, and then once it's dry, then you fold it around. So this point is very important. The ring I'm holding is called D ring. You can see it, the shape of D. So you can make use of this D ring for it, and if you don't want, you can actually go with square ring. So but in my own case, I'm not using any of these two, so I have the one I want to use, which is this one that you can see in my hand here. So this is what I'm going to use. So why I'm showing us all of this is just to let you know that you can actually use any one that you have available. So use your glue to hold the both sides. So I'm using Mr. Bond, should in case you're wondering. So this is how it will look like. What I folded inside is just the excess 1.5 inch that I left. So get another material, let's say 2.5 inch, and then 9 inches long. That's because I don't want it to reach the extreme end of the two sides. So you can see it, I'm leaving 1 inch on the left and right, and then I'm going to wrap it this way. So I'm going to apply the contact adhesive right now, and then now it's already dried. So you go ahead and then you fold it. So after folding, there are 3 different ways that you can actually deal with this area. Is that you use glue. You see where I folded now? You can use glue now to hold it permanently. You can use hand stitch method, and you can use your machine to sew it. So any one that you want to go for, you are good to go. Either you use glue, hand stitch it, or sew it with your machine. So but in my own case, I'm going to hand stitch it, which is not mandatory for you. So at this point, you can see I've already punched a hole where it's going to enter. So but if it's the D ring, then you will need to cut another extra pieces of material, which is now going to be the one to enter inside. So this is it. This is how I made the handle. So thank you for watching. Keep following Evergreen Vocational if you want to learn more.